Hi guys, I'm Michael from DJ City, here today at the Dandenong store, unboxing Native Instruments' brand new product, the Maschine JAM. Let's have a look inside. I only got these today, so brand new. This is the actual unit. USB cable. They give you complete select with it, 25 gig worth of samples and other things, machine, stand. Let's plug this baby in, get it all set up. Plug in the USB cable. USB powered, by the way. Let's have a look at the Vegas moon on it. Eight by 8 grid for step sequencing and Native Instruments' new smart strips. These are available at djcity.com.au and at all our stores.